Welcome to One Love Doula Services guide on how to use your breast pump. My name is Yamel. I'm a registered nurse, doula, childbirth educator, and international board-certified lactation consultant. Whether you're returning to work, dealing with temporary latch or supply issues, temporarily separated from your baby, or simply want to build a milk stash, using a breast pump can be a valuable tool. One thing to point out, we do recommend to not initiate the use of a pump unless necessary or for the first 3 to 4 weeks in an effort to promote breastfeeding success. Let's get started. First, let's gather your supplies. You'll need your breast pump, clean bottles or storage bags, and necessary accessories such as breast shields and tubing. Make sure all parts are clean and sterilized before first use. There are many different pumps on the market, such as electric, double flange, wearable, manual, and even hospital-grade pumps for use in certain cases, such as if you have a preemie, which is in the NICU. We want you to keep in mind that not every person reacts favorably to a pump, as our bodies are made to feed our baby directly. Please don't be hard on yourself if you only yield a small amount in your first pump sessions. You're going to want to wash your hands thoroughly before pumping to ensure everything stays hygienic and safe for your baby. Next, assemble the breast pump according to instructions. You'll know with most pumps there's a flange, there's tubing, a bottle for collection, and your settings which control the start, stop, suction, or vacuum mode, which encourage your letdown. Keep in mind that you don't necessarily need to increase your settings to see more milk. Connect the flanges to the tubing and attach the tubing to the pump motor. Make sure everything is securely connected to prevent any leaks. If you feel the suction is not strong or you don't feel much, always check to ensure all parts are in place, such as your duct valves. Now you'll want to position breast shields over your breasts. Center your nipples in the flanges to ensure a good fit and effective suction. You may need to experiment with different sizes to find the most comfortable and effective fit. Find a comfortable place to sit and relax. Turn on the breast pump and start with a low suction setting. Many pumps have a letdown mode that mimics a baby's initial quick sucking to stimulate milk flow. Once your milk starts flowing, you can gradually increase the suction to a comfortable level. Pump for about 15 to 20 minutes or until your milk flow slows down. We don't recommend more than 20-30 minutes at a time, as this can cause nipple breakdown and discomfort. Furthermore, we do recommend massaging your breasts during pumping, which is called hands-on pumping. Massaging the breast during pumping helps with milk flow and yields 50% more milk at each sitting. After pumping, turn off the pump and carefully remove the breast shields. Be gentle to avoid any discomfort. Your nipple should not have any weird shape or look hurt or extremely discolored after a pump session. Also, if you have pain during the session, this could signify a poor fitting flange size. Transfer the expressed milk to storage bags or bottles. Label them with the date and time of expression. Freshly expressed milk can be stored at room temperature for up to 4 hours, in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, and in the freezer for up to 6 months. If you have a deep freezer, it can be stored up to 12 months. You'll want to disassemble the pump parts and clean them thoroughly after each use. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper cleaning and sterilization, and you may also want to take note of when you need to replace pump parts based on your manufacturer. Using a breast pump can take some practice, but with time, it can become a comfortable and efficient part of your routine. Remember to stay hydrated and take care of yourself while pumping. Thank you for watching One Love Doula Services guide on how to use a breast pump. If you enjoyed this video, you can find an in-depth tutorial and more videos just like this in our digital library and our comprehensive childbirth preparation course. Everything is going to be all right. Link available in the description. If you have been looking to work with an international board-certified lactation consultant, we happily provide house calls or virtual visits for those not near. A consultation with a lactation expert can help with troubleshooting, education, or to be a source of support for your lactation goals. Until next time, and happy pumping!